Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in, and what we have for you today is the unboxing and how to set up the Samsung Q950A soundbar. This is Samsung's flagship 2021 soundbar with 616 watts of sound output. So let's quickly get to it because the process is really simple. Now in the box you get the soundbar itself along with the subwoofer, the two satellite speakers which are your surround speakers, the remote control, 4 power cables, 2 for each of the satellite speakers and 1 for the soundbar and 1 for the subwoofer, wall mounting brackets for the soundbar itself, and an HDMI cable, which is really good that you get the HDMI cable in the box. It feels to be a nice sturdy HDMI cable as well, and of course you get the standard documentation that you would with a soundbar, and of course the remote control. Now before we get into setting up the TV, know that we have the LG C1 with us for review, and we're going to use this TV. Now if you have a Samsung TV, certain compatible models will connect to the soundbar wirelessly, and you have Q Symphony, which is Samsung's own technology to ensure that the speakers on the TV work in harmony with the soundbar to give you a more immersive experience. But many of you may not have a Samsung TV, and this is one of the ways in which you can connect it. So first you need to connect the HDMI cable to the EARC port at the back of the soundbar like we're showing you out here, and then connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the EARC port of your television. Remember, you have to connect all the speakers to a power outlet, which is the soundbar itself individually, the subwoofer itself individually, and the 2 satellite speakers, which you would want to keep either at ear level on your side or slightly behind you but at ear level, so that is something that is very important for you to do. Once you power on the soundbar, you will know that there is an LED that is behind the satellite speakers and the subwoofer, which is red in color, and it becomes blue once it is detected by the soundbar, and all of this happens automatically, so it's not something that you have to do. The best way to set up the soundbar is to download the Samsung's SmartThings app on your smartphone, and when you launch it, you will go into the devices section. It will ask you for location access to detect a device near you, and once you grant it access, it will detect the soundbar and it will walk you through the process of setting it up like you are seeing on your screens right now. So once you launch the app and give the location, you can give the device the name and the room it's in. So you could, let's say, put it as living room. Then it'll ask you to press the volume down button on the soundbar so that it can pair it with your smartphone. That's really simple. Just go to the soundbar and press the volume down button, and it should connect to your smartphone. Again, after this, it'll ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password of your house, and this is of course important because the soundbar supports Alexa, so you can actually ask it to play songs for you, and of course you can get software updates via the internet as well. So it's really important you give your Wi-Fi devices, and then you can always go into the settings and check for updates. When we installed the soundbar for the first time, we went and checked for updates, and there was an update, so you might want to ensure that you check for updates as well. After you've given the device a name and logged into your Amazon account, there is an auto EQ option in the app itself, and I highly recommend you go in and switch this on. What this does is it uses the microphones that are on the soundbar itself to calibrate the position of the speakers to give you the best possible surround sound experience in the room that you're in, and I highly recommend you go in and do this. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Just ensure that there is no noise in the room for the best calibration effect, and once this is done, you're good to go and use the soundbar. Just remember to go into your television's settings, that is the sound settings on this LG TV. The soundbar was recognized automatically, but like we're showing you on this TV, you can simply go into the sound settings and switch on the sound source from the internal speakers to the HDMI ARC option. If you have a Sony TV or a Samsung TV, then these options are at different locations in the settings, but they are generally under the sound options, and you should be able to get an auto detect on most televisions. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at an unboxing, what you get in the box with the Samsung Q950A soundbar, and also how to set it up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and for more from the world of technology, you can subscribe to the channel. We will catch you in another video. It's goodbye for now.